In this tutorial we are going to start coordinator and know what is coordinator and how to work on coordinator. So basically coordinator is framework of PHP. It's give us so many ways we can implement code. It's save our time because in basic PHP we have to write the code from the beginning, but in coordinator we have functions we have to just implement. We have to call them to in our code. So basically it's, for example, to understand this, for example, you are hungry, you have two options. The first one is you will go to outside and buy some foods and eat, simple. But the other is you have to buy some food items, then you will cook, and after then you can cook, after then you can eat them. So it's a long process. In the same way, the first option, when you can go outside and purchase foods and eat, in the same way coordinator is like this. Coordinator is provide ready-made things. We have to just implement the functions. We have to call the functions. We don't need to write the SQL queries like select static from dash dash, and we have to just use the coordinator functions. So basically it help us to make a website in a fast way. So let's start. The first thing, you have to download this coordinator. You have to click on it and it start downloading. I have already downloaded this, so let me cancel this one. Now you can see when you download you have to extract and just wait for 2 or 1 minute. After that you have to cut this folder. Okay, cool. Now you have to cut this and go to C drive, and you also have to this exam in your system. If you don't have, just download this one, and then you have to open htdocs folder and you have to paste this file here. Now you have to change the name of the folder which you place, for like this. You have to write the name of the website. Basically, for just now I put my website. Okay, cool. Now what we have to do, we have to just now make a virtual host. Virtual host is something like this. For now it's a live website, but when I doing coding, so I don't like to write localhost something this in in the browser as well as in the code. When I write a localhost in the code, so when I complete my website and upload and live this website, so I need to change all the local hosts from the code, and I need to write the name of the website. So seek to save the time, I just make a virtual host. For making virtual host you have to first go to the C drive, this open one, and you have to go Apache. Click on Apache, then you have to go config, and in config you have to open extra, then you have to open this vhost. Now you have to open this. Now you have to just copy this one and paste here, and remove these comments from here. Okay, we don't need this like server domain, we just need these two things. So it's a basically path of our folder. So I just write here my website, and we just write here like when we search google.com, so we just write google.com. So in the same way, when we are live of website, so we will write mywebsite.com. But for just testing, but just for implementing the website, making website, I just write test like this, my website dot test. Okay, now save this and close it. Now the second thing, you have to change it from Windows folder, go to Windows folder. Now you have to search system32. Now open this one. Now you move to the driver folder. You can see here driver, open this one. Now you have to open etc. Now you have to copy this and paste here. Now open this one, and you have to just like copy this, remove this comment. Okay, now you have to write the name of the website, like for my site, my website dot test. Okay, now cut this, delete this file and paste here. Okay, now start the exam. Now you have to write my okay, so you have to write my website dot test. So now you can see there is no localhost something, the simple URL is my website dot test. Now you can see this is coordinator interface. Now we will move further on coordinator step by step. First we will learn more about because the coordinator is basically on MVC framework, so we must know about controller view models, how they interact each other. So first we will see view, how to integrate admin panel, front end and other things in the next video.